Precision in woodworking is paramount, yet achieving it can be a constant battle. Imperfect measurements and irregular cuts not only frustrate craftsmen, but also result in material waste and inefficiency. Enter Woodpeckers, a company dedicated to solving these pervasive issues with their meticulously engineered tools. Renowned for pushing the boundaries of innovation and accuracy, Woodpeckers creates instruments that surpass the expectations of even the most demanding artisans. This presentation will introduce you to 20 cutting-edge tools from their latest lineup, each designed to revolutionize your approach to woodworking. Prepare to discover how these game-changing implements can elevate your craftsmanship, streamline your process, and ultimately transform your entire woodworking journey. Corners got you in a bind? The corner jig is here to straighten things out. This cleverly designed tool takes the guesswork out of assembling square corners. Whether you're building cabinets or picture frames, if you're tired of fighting with clamps to keep your assembly square, the corner jig provides a rock-solid reference and ensures perfect 90 degrees corners every time. Its versatile design accommodates a range of material thicknesses, which makes it a go-to tool for various projects. From small boxes to large case goods, this jig has got your corners covered. Ready to say goodbye to out-of-square assemblies? Think outside the box with the 3D multi-marking square. This innovative tool brings three-dimensional thinking to your layout work. Struggling with complex joinery or angle cuts? The 3D multi-marking square allows you to reference and mark multiple planes simultaneously, simplifying even the most challenging layout tasks. Its carefully crafted body ensures accuracy, while the multiple reference edges provide versatility for a wide range of applications. From timber framing to intricate box making, this square opens up new possibilities in your woodworking. Discover a new level of precision with the 3D multi-marking square, crafted to elevate your layout work in 3D. Prepare to bid farewell to strip screws and split wood. The Easy Drive is an innovative screw driving system that takes the hassle out of fastening. Its unique design allows for precise control of torque and downward pressure, which ensures screws are driven perfectly every time. Say goodbye to camouts and damaged screw heads. The Easy Drive's magnetic bit holder keeps your driver securely engaged, reducing both slippage and wear. From delicate hardware installation to heavy-duty construction, this tool adapts to any fastening task. Ready to make driving screws a breeze? The Easy Drive is your solution to fastening frustrations. When it comes to pattern routing, these bits are a cut above the rest. The Ultra Shear Pattern Bits boast a razor-sharp edge that slices through wood like a hot knife through butter. Their unique geometry reduces tear out even on the most temperamental grain patterns. Frustrated by chatter marks and rough edges? These bits are your solution. The carbide tips stay sharp for ages, which saves you time and money on replacements. From intricate inlays to large-scale duplications, these bits handle it all with ease. Don't let subpar bits hold you back. Step up your routing game with Ultra Shear. As the old saying goes, you can never have too many clamps. Well, the Clamp Pal is here to prove that sometimes one clamp is all you need. This versatile clamping system adapts to a wide range of applications, from edge banding to panel glue-ups. Tired of juggling multiple clamps for complex assemblies? The Clamp Pal's unique design allows it to distribute pressure evenly across large surfaces. Its adjustable jaws accommodate various material thicknesses, which makes it a true jack of all trades in your workshop. Don't let clamping limitations cramp your style. Let the Clamp Pal free you to tackle bigger, bolder projects. Bid farewell to Dado stack hassles with the ingenious Dado Nut. This simple yet effective accessory transforms your standard table saw blade into a dado cutting powerhouse. The Dado Nut simplifies cutting dados and grooves by letting you use your regular blade. This solution saves time and avoids the cumbersome process of setting up dado stacks. Engineered with a precision machine body, this tool provides reliable and accurate results. It's a great addition for cabinet and shelving projects, enhancing your saw's versatility without incurring excessive costs. The Dado Nut simplifies dado tasks and improves workflow. In the world of woodworking, accuracy is king, and these precision triangles wear the crown. Machined to exacting tolerances, they provide dead-on 90 degrees and 45 degrees references for layout and machine setup. Frustrated by inaccurate cuts and gaps in your joinery? These triangles ensure your tools are dialed in perfectly every time. The hard anodized aluminum construction resists wear and tear and maintains accuracy for years to come. From squaring up your table saw to laying out complex joinery, these triangles have you covered. Don't let imprecision compromise your craftsmanship. Arm yourself with Woodpeckers precision triangles. When it comes to layout work, size matters, and the Big Cal is here to prove it. This oversized caliper brings precision measurement to a whole new scale. Struggling with accurate measurements on large workpieces? The Big Cal's extended jaws and large digital readout make it a breeze to measure everything from board widths to complex assemblies. Its durable construction stands up to workshop wear and tear, while the easy-to-read display eliminates squinting and guesswork. From furniture making to timber framing, the Big Cal is your go-to for big measurements. Don't let size limitations cramp your style. Go big with Big Cal. Here's a tool that proves two heads are indeed better than one. The number 94 dual beam scribe features two independent marking beams and allows for simultaneous layout of parallel lines. Frustrated by the time-consuming process of marking multiple parallel lines? This scribe cuts your layout time in half. Its precision machined body ensures accuracy, while the hardened steel tips leave crisp, clear lines on any wood surface. From dovetail layout to complex inlay work, this scribe handles it all with ease. Don't let tedious layout work slow you down. Double your efficiency with the number 94 dual beam scribe. The Pen Mill C brings precision and ease to the often frustrating task of squaring pen blanks. Its carbide insert cutting head stays sharp far longer than traditional steel cutters, ensuring clean, square ends on even the toughest materials. Tired of tear-out and uneven surfaces on your pen blanks? The Pen Mill C's balanced design and sharp cutting edge virtually eliminate these issues. From delicate acrylics to dense exotic woods, this tool handles it all with aplomb. Ready to take your pen turning to the next level? The Pen Mill C is your key to perfectly prepped blanks. Say goodbye to the headache of setting up your table saw fence. The simple set fence gauge offers dead-on accuracy with minimal fuss. Its magnetic base attaches firmly to your saw table, while the precision machined body ensures repeatable settings. Woodworkers often struggle with consistent cuts, but this gauge eliminates that pain. With clear, easy-to-read markings and a smooth sliding action, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Whether you're ripping boards or making dados, this tool will become your new best friend in the workshop. Are you ready to upgrade your fence setting game? The fence gauge is waiting to transform your workflow. Hold on to your sawdust because the Stable Max RT router table is here to shake things up. This isn't your run-of-the-mill router table. It's a precision-engineered machine. The rock-solid construction eliminates vibration and ensures clean, accurate cuts every time. Fed up with flimsy tables that wobble and flex? The Stable Max router table stands firm, which provides a stable platform for even the most demanding routing tasks. Its expansive surface area and T-track system offer incredible versatility. Whether you're edge profiling or cutting joinery, this table has got your back. Ready to take your routing to the next level? The router table is your ticket to router paradise. Mathematics meets woodworking in this elegant measuring tool. The Fibonacci gauge harnesses the power of the golden ratio to create visually pleasing proportions in your projects. If you're struggling to achieve that elusive, just right look in your designs, this gauge takes the guesswork out of proportional layout. Its laser-etched markings provide precise reference points for dividing spaces according to the Fibonacci sequence. From furniture design to architectural elements, this tool opens up a world of aesthetic possibilities. Turn your designs from good to great, and let the Fibonacci gauge be your guide to perfect proportions. Precision meets versatility in the MFD layout and assembly square. This multifunction tool serves as a square, ruler, and assembly aid all in one. Simplify your workflow by using one tool for layout and assembly. This square's clever design incorporates a range of useful features, from precise angle references to clamping surfaces. Its compatibility with MFT-style workbenches expands its utility even further. Whether you're marking cut lines or squaring up cabinet assemblies, this tool has you covered. Don't let inefficiency slow you down. Transform your workflow with the MFT layout and assembly square and experience streamlined efficiency. Get a grip on precision cutting with the jigsaw handle. This ergonomic accessory transforms your jigsaw into a finely controlled cutting instrument. Frustrated by the lack of control when making intricate cuts? This handle provides a stable, comfortable grip that allows for enhanced mobility and accuracy. Its universal design fits most jigsaw models, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. No matter if you're cutting curves in thick hardwood or following intricate patterns, this handle gives you the control you need. Take charge of your cutting projects with the jigsaw handle and avoid the hassle of unwieldy tools. In the field of precision woodworking, few tools are as essential as a good marking knife. Woodpecker's marking knife takes this humble tool to new heights of accuracy and comfort. Its ergonomic handle and razor-sharp blade allow for precise control, marking in even the tightest spaces. Move beyond the limitations of pencil lines. This knife leaves a crisp, thin line that serves as a perfect guide for chisels and saws. Whether you're laying out dovetails or marking mortises, this knife ensures your cuts start exactly where you intend. Don't let imprecise layout compromise your joinery. Arm yourself with Woodpecker's marking knife. Brace yourself for a cut above the rest. The ADT miter saw blades set the standard for what's possible in cross-cutting. With a tooth count that puts other blades to shame, these babies deliver glass-smooth cuts in even the most challenging materials. If you're sick of tear-out and splintering, the ultra-shear geometry virtually eliminates these issues and leaves behind only pristine surfaces. The carbide tips stay sharp through countless cuts, which makes these blades a worthy investment for any serious woodworker. Whether you're trimming delicate moldings or slicing through thick hardwoods, these blades perform with unparalleled precision. So, ready to experience the cutting edge of miter saw technology? Auxiliary rip fence. Talk about a lifesaver for your table saw. The auxiliary rip fence attaches to your existing fence and provides enhanced support and control for a wide range of cutting operations. With its tall profile, this fence maintains firm board placement during rip cuts, ensuring straight and accurate results. The T-track system provides a straightforward method for attaching featherboards and stop blocks and extends the versatility of your saw. Whether you're ripping thin veneers or breaking down sheet goods, this fence has got your back. Are you ready to take your ripping to the next level? The auxiliary rip fence is your ticket to precision cutting. Slice and dice with precision using the Ultra Shear Juice Groove bits. These specialized router bits make quick work of creating those all-important grooves in cutting boards and serving trays. Frustrated by tear-out and rough surfaces when routing in grain? The Ultra Shear geometry virtually eliminates these issues and leaves behind smooth, clean grooves. Their carbide tips stay sharp through countless feet of routing, making them a worthy investment for any serious woodworker. So if you're crafting gourmet cutting boards or elegant serving platters, these bits deliver professional results. Ready to step up your groove game? Give the Ultra Shear Juice Groove bits a spin. Last on our list, we have the Poly Gauge SS, a versatile layout tool that's as much a work of art as it is functional. This stainless steel gauge combines multiple angle references and measurement scales into one elegant package. Finding it hard to lay out complex angles and proportions? The Poly Gauge SS provides precise references for a wide range of common and not-so-common angles. Its durable construction ensures it will remain a faithful workshop companion for years to come. From furniture design to architectural work, this tool opens up new possibilities in layout and proportion. Add a touch of precision and beauty to your toolkit with the Poly Gauge SS. Its sleek design and accuracy make it a perfect choice for your next project. And these are the 20 incredible new tools from Woodpeckers that are sure to increase your woodworking game.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.